Welcome to Money Osai. This video would give you all an insight on the evolution of English alphabet from A to I. Let us begin with the first letter A. A is the first letter and the first vowel letter of the modern English alphabet. The name of the letter in the Phoenician period resembled the Hebrew name Aleph, meaning ox. The form is thought to derived from an earlier symbol resembling the head of an ox. The letter was taken over by the Greeks in the form of alpha. B is the second letter of the alphabet in English and most other European languages. It came from the Greek letter beta. Capital B has the same shape as the Latin letter. The small b was first used in the 4th century AD. The most European languages, b has the same pronunciation. In algebra, b is the second known quantity. C is the third letter of the English alphabet. The letter was derived from the Semitic alphabet and from the Greek alphabet. Early forms of the letter also appear in Latin. The letter C has changed considerably in appearance over the centuries and has represented a variety of sounds. In its early development, the letter C was used as a hard G or K sound in both Semitic and Greek. C also represents the third note in the musical alphabet and is a sign for the bass clef in musical notation. D is the fourth letter of the alphabet in English and other European languages. It comes through Latin from the Greek letter delta. The original form of the letter probably came from ancient Egyptian hieroglyph writing. This has a pictograph in the shape of the folding door of a tent. It meant both door and the sound D, although no one knows whether the Egyptians pronounced it as we do today. The first real alphabet, the Phoenician alphabet, took over the Egyptian D, drawing it as a rough triangle. From this came the Hebrew letter Dat and the Greek letter delta, which was a triangle with 3 equal sides. Romans gave a curved side to the triangle, which became our capital D. The small d was first seen in Roman cursive writing. This shape gradually grew into our letter D. D is about the 10th most commonly used letter in English. In music, it is the second note of the scale C. The Roman numeral D stands for 500. E is the fifth letter of the alphabet in English and most other languages. It came through Latin from the Greek letter epsilon. The original version of the letter was probably an ancient Egyptian hieroglyph sign, a picture of a man shouting. In about 1000 BC, the Phoenicians used the sign in their alphabet as the letter H. It was a simpler shape. Later, the Greeks used the sign for their letter E. The Romans took it over unchanged for their alphabet. In their cursive writing, it soon took on the round shape, the small e today. E is the most commonly used letter in English. It may be pronounced short or long or even left silent. F is the sixth letter of the alphabet in English and most other European languages. It came through Latin from the early Greek letter diagma. The original form of the letter may have been an ancient Egyptian hieroglyph symbol, a picture of a hook or nail. It was a word picture rather than a letter used to mean hook. Around 1000 BC, the Phoenicians used the symbol as a letter in their alphabet. The Greeks, whose alphabet grew out of the Phoenician one, also used the letter for a while. They wrote it as F but gave it the sound of W. By the 5th century BC, the Greeks had dropped it. Before the Greek letter disappeared completely, the Romans took it into their alphabet. They sounded it as we do today. The Romans did not have small and capital letters like those used for modern writing, but their cursive F developed into small f during the Middle Ages. F is the 15th most commonly used letter in English. G is the 7th letter of the English alphabet. This letter originally came from the sources as the letter C. Romans took the Greek letter gamma into their alphabet but used it as C. By the 7th century BC, a G as well as C had developed. The new letter was formed by writing a C with a bar across the bottom. The small g in use today was developed from the Roman cursive G. It had reached its present form by the 10th century AD. G can be pronounced hard as in got or soft as in rage. When written before H, it can be pronounced like F as in rough, not pronounced at all as in dove, or pronounced as hard as in ghost. G is about the 16th most commonly used letter in English. In music, G is the 5th note of the scale of C. H is the 8th letter of the alphabet. It is written the same way as the Greek letter eta, but does not have the same sound. The first real alphabet used by the Phoenicians in about 1000 BC had a form of the sign for the letter H. The Greeks at first used the sign for H but later switched it to long E. The Romans used it as H in their alphabet. The small h we use today was first seen in Roman cursive. It has remained unchanged to the present today. H is about the 9th most often used letter in English. It is not pronounced in some words such as honor. H is used by German musicians to mean the note B. H is also the symbol for the element hydrogen. I is the 9th letter of the alphabet. It came to us through the Latin alphabet from the Greek letter iota. The earliest form of the letter was probably an Egyptian hieroglyph symbol for hand, a picture of a hand. The Phoenician alphabet of around 1000 BC used the hand sign for the letter I. By then, it was a different shape with only 2 fingers and a thumb. The Greeks first wrote iota as Z-shaped line, but later straightened it out into the present shape. The Latin alphabet took over the letter unchanged. The smaller I was first seen its present form in the 11th century AD. The dot was added to make the letter clearer when written next to N, M, or U. Otherwise, a word like minimum would have been an agreeable zigzag in the handwriting of the time. I is about the seventh most often used letter in English. It can be pronounced in three ways, as in the words bit, bite, and machine. By this, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you.